How to reset Android pattern password unlock. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of your device and scroll down and then tap on passwords and security. Then you can see the option of screen lock, face unlock. So just tap on screen lock. And then you can see the option of pattern, password and pin. So just if you want to change the option of pattern to password, then just tap on password or the pin. So here I'm just trying to change my pattern password to the password. So just tap on password and wait for a while, tap on got it, and you can change your password. You can put any letters or numbers for this. After doing that, your password will be changed from pattern to password. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.